Hey everybody, it's Brooke. Alright, I have been gone for a while because of I've mentioned in another video that I do market day in my local town, and I crochet animals, blankets, headbands, all kinds of things, and I've been really busy for the first one to get it all ready, like crochet my hands off. But now I got a little bit of time to maybe start making some videos again. We'll see. I don't know. I have to get things, because I sold a lot more than I thought. Yada, yada, yada. But I'm going to come on here, and I already tried this once, and somebody called, and I have my iPad on, like, do not disturb, but I guess it doesn't matter. And somebody called my cell phone, and they're linked, and it turned my video off. Okay. But I want to do this marbling kit, and I got my thing off kilter. And this one is the Japanese style where you don't have to thicken your water. It says Sumagashi, and I got it on Amazon. I think it was $10, $12 or something like that. And it comes with these colors, primary and black, green. Green's not primary, neither is orange. But anyway, those colors. Blue, red, black, green, yellow, orange. And the instructions comes with that. And then these little floater papers, you're supposed to stick these down in the water and then drip onto the paper. And I tried that in the last video, and it doesn't work. But anyway, let's get started. And I've got a top two, you can see all the water where I tried the last video. But the top two pencil, my Premier pencils. Let me make sure I am in frame. Okay. And then I got some old thesaurus paper and a couple of book pages, old book pages. All right, and I think I put too much water in last time. Let me try this. Just a little bit. I'll kind of let it fill up, and that's it. And it says in the instructions to use bottled water in case you have hard water, and this is just Deer Park. Okay, what colors do I want to use? Let me start with yellow. And shake them up. And I think that paper keeps the paint from going on the bottom of the water, but if you're careful, and it won't come off. Come on. I was gonna barely tap it on there. See how that went to the bottom? I don't know how to avoid that. I guess that paper. Let me try it again. And it says once these dry, you can reuse them. Oh. Let's go blue. Oh yeah, that worked good. Maybe it has to be wet. I don't know. Let me get that thing out of there. Okay. I'll get some little sprinkles from the blue. You can tell that I've gotten into it already. But I did wash my hands, it came off very nicely. Let me get this out. Oh, look, my finger made something. Oh, great. Now I'm really gonna have a mess. Let me put it on this paper towel. Gosh, it went under my fingernail. Beauty. Okay. Let's go. Let me put a little black. Whoops. Whoa. That was cool. Let's go back to yellow. Yeah, the only thing I don't like is it goes to the bottom, but what are you gonna do? Just playing. Blue. All right, let's swirl this and see what we get. I'm gonna go back and forth. And then this way. I think I'm gonna put these two pages in together. All right, let's lift this one out. Oh, look at there. Very nice. This is fun, it's fun, it's fun. A little messy, but fun. And then there's this one. Pretty, pretty, pretty. All right, let's do another combo. Guess I'll just leave that in there. I don't know. Because it's, and it says you could clean it with paper. Let me see what a paper towel will do. Yeah, that's good. Don't do that. I'll just leave that black in there. Okay, let's do a green and orange combo this time with black. I'm just kind of touching the surface of the water and letting it fall because it doesn't seem to matter when you do the print, so maybe black. And green. Kind of wipe that tip off. I guess that's why people thicken their water. I mean, I don't even know if these are inks or paints or what they are. Looks like inks. But it did come off the last play I had. All right, let's swirl this booger. I'm gonna do circles. All right, let's see what we get. Ooh, that one's really pretty. Look at that. I like the little right there. I like that color combo too. And it says if you want to make your own color to mix it and then drip it, maybe we should try that. Let's see, what can I mix in? I don't have anything. I don't know. I don't really have anything to mix in. I'm looking. I think I'll just do it on my glass mat right here. And then use my pipette. Let's do it. Let's try purple. Blue. And red. Let's see what happens. It's just looking like it's making an ooky color. It looks blue and red. Yeah, it just looks blue and red. And there, I think it says you can use dish soap for a clear. Let's add some more red to that. That you can use, like mix some Dawn and water to make a clear color. Let's see what this color is. Like a magenta. Oh, there goes a purple. I don't know if y'all can see that. You might be able to pull the print. All right, let me add a yellow to that and then swirl and see what we get. Because these little clumps, I don't think will do anything. All right, let's give it a swirl. See if we got a least bit of a purple in there. All right, it'll take but a second. I'm disturbing the water. Oh yeah, we did. Got a little bit of a purple in there. See it? Well, all right. Well, that was really fun. Y'all should, if you want to marble some paper, go to Amazon and pick this up. Sumagashi Marbling. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.